So routing went okay, except I had one pretty big piece of tear out on this side, but I mean, I'm working, the lip is pretty thin, so I'm kind of not surprised it happened. Thought it would have happened more than once. So I'm gonna just chisel it down until it's square, and then when I glue on the bottom, I'm gonna cut another piece and then glue it back in here and sand it flush. And it should look, it won't match the grain, but it should look okay. It's about as square as I can get it. So also lost this little tab over here. See if I can fix that also. And this is that piece that broke off. You could definitely do a better job than I did, but since this is just sitting in my room, wasn't too concerned with it, but I could have done a better job of. I shouldn't have sanded this, and this could be filled in with some sawdust and glue also. And then I decided not to touch up this spot either. And it's 4 years later, and this has been just sitting on my nightstand, waiting for the video to finally be made.